Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to apply a timer to your Google Forms. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this work is the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here, docs.google.com/forms. Go ahead and open up. This is the main URL. Then once you have opened up, you'll be greeted by the main page where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into our accounts. If you do not already have an account, what you can do is go ahead and sign up for one. If you have an account, just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by the home page right here. This is the main page where we can get started creating a new form. If you do not already have one, we can go and take a look at all the recent forms we have already created. And now we can get started applying timers for our forms. So what do we have to do? Basically, if you do not already have a form, let's go ahead and open up our form right here. So once you have opened it up, it's going to look like this. You're going to have an untitled form. So you can give a name, you can give it a description, and so on. I already have my form created right here. So this is my tutorial form for a video that I can get started with. So how do you add a timer? As you can see in the settings option right here, we do not have any timer option. So you can go ahead and make this a quiz. You can manage your responses and so on, but you do not have the option to add a timer. So what we're going to do is go to the Google Workspace Marketplace and then search for the timer for Google add-on. This is an add-on that we can get started installing. So by clicking the install button, it's going to enable you to add this to your Google Forms, and with this you're going to be able to add a timer to your Google Forms. You can go ahead and track submissions and go ahead and manage how fast people have submitted yet, and if they did it with a timer or finished with a delay, and so on. So this is what you want to use. This is the add-on that's going to work the best because Google has not implemented a direct option for a timer, so you have to go ahead and use this. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.